Okay, guys, last paper, 6-3. The first thing you have to do is factor. So if we factor this one, your factors are 6 and -1. So if we factor those, x is going to equal -6 and x is going to equal 1. So your solutions are -6 and +1. So what we're going to do to find the x-intercepts, you're going to hit the y equals button, and you're going to type in x squared, and then you're going to type in plus 5x, and you're going to type in -6. Once you do that, you're going to type in into y2, you're going to hit 0 because you want to set it equal to 0. So I'll give you a minute to do that. And then you're going to hit graph. And then you're going to hit second, calc, and trace. And you're going to choose intersect, which is 5. And you're going to move it to the x-intercept. You're going to hit enter, enter, enter. So you're going to see that your x-intercepts are 1 and -6. So you have -6, 0, and 1, 0. So how did they compare to the x solutions? What can you conclude? You can conclude that they are the same. So did you get them right? Yes, you did. All right, let's go to the back. So if we go to the back, here we go. It says graph the quadratic equations and find the x-axis or x-intercept, solutions, factors, vertex, and y values for the given x values. Then sketch the graph and find the axis of symmetry. Man, they're wanting us to do everything that we know. So let's have a little fun here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to y equals. We're going to plug in x squared minus 8x plus 15. The second one's going to stay as 0, and we're going to graph it. So right away we can tell by looking that our x-intercepts are going to be 3 and 5. So we have 3 and 5. So we know our solutions are 3 and 5. We know our factors are x minus 5 because you know it's the opposite. And we know our vertex. And to find our vertex, what would we do? We would go to second calc, and we would find our minimum, which is 3. So there it is. So we would come down here, left bound. Oh, we'd have to go up here. minimum would be 0. That's not right. Okay, so what's our vertex? We would come down here to the bottom. So it'd be 4, -1. That's what I'm telling you. And your axis of symmetry would be 4. So negative b over 2a. So negative -8 over 2 times 1. So it'd be 8 over 2, which is 4. So x is equal to 4. So we would do 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 15. So it'd be 16 minus 32 plus 15. So 16 minus 32 is negative 16 plus 15 is -1. Alright, so then we would do second calc 1 is 8, and second calc 1 8 is 15. So there's all of your answers there. And then we come down here, and it wants us just to solve each quadratic equation using the calculator. So all you're going to do is you're just going to solve each equation. So you're just going to plug it into y equals, so 9x squared plus 12x minus 1, enter graph. And so all you're going to do is second trace. And so you want the x-intercepts. So how did we find the x-intercepts? Second calc 5, enter. So one intercept is 0, 0, 0, 0. I can't get it to right. 0.07, comma 0. And then second calc 5, enter. Second calc 5, enter. Second calc 5. So this one is negative 1.40. So you have to keep moving your arrow over. You use the left and right keys till you get to the other side, and then you do second trace 5, enter, 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 and then you can get your other point. And you keep doing that over and over and over till you get all of your points. I hope that makes sense, because it's hard for me to get those points too. But you have to get them equal. So like on number 5, you're going to subtract 2 and get it to the other side. So it'd be 7x squared plus 2x minus 2 equals 0. And then you would plug it into yx. So you've got to get them equal to 0 first. All right, that's our last lesson. Next week, I'll just give you a few short, easy things that you turn in, but no more long lessons to do. So make sure you just do the short, easy things, and make sure all of your homework assignments are turned in and all of your corrections, and we'll be done for the year. Just wait and listen for my instructions so you know exactly what to do. I hope y'all have had a great year, and I really miss y'all. I hope you have learned a lot. Holler if you need anything. Thanks. Bye.